So today I'm going to make sardine callaloo fritters. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to clean up the sardine. So I'm going to take out all the something out there. So this is the flour. So when I use the water of nice sardines, so that's what I put in like this. I have more. I'm going to add my callaloo. Guys, I'm going to try the recipe here. I'm going to use callaloo. I don't know if I call it a bark or something. I'm going to use a tough part and try to take out it. So now I have some scallion and tomato. I add to it. And I put a little Maggi in it. Yeah. That's the normal salt. I'm gonna try to mix up it. Wait. Guys, so now I'm going to put in a pan. this is the finishing product of our lovely fritters. So be a gonna story time or the recipe did burn. So give them a story time.
Yeah guys, so you know, one evening Serene was making fritters and she was going to be putting tuna in it and stuff. And I say, steam some callaloo with it too, right? But I thought she was going to prepare the callaloo as a side, and she ended up put it inside the fritters. And you know, it turned out that them tasted real good. So we end up with a new recipe.
Somebody have to do it back. Yes, guys, somebody have to do it back and try something new. So on anything you want to put in it, you can put in on a fried on fritters rather, not dumpling but fritters. Okay? Yes, guys. Please remember to like, share, and comment. I want to tell somebody about Serene's, and subscribe. Bye.